There are three methods of heat transfer: conduction, convection and radiation. So first let us understand conduction. When we cook some food in a frying pan, it becomes hot when kept on a flame. This is because the heat passes from the flame to the utensil. When the pan is removed from the fire, it slowly cools down because of the heat is transferred from the pan to its surrounding. Therefore, we can understand that in both cases the heat flows from a hotter object to a colder object. Okay, so this is known as conduction. This process is known as conduction. So the definition of conduction is the process by which heat is transferred from the hotter end to the colder end of an object is known as conduction. In solids, generally the heat is transferred by the process of conduction. Now let us understand the activity. Take a metal rod and fix pins using wax along its length at different interval. Now heat one end of the rod. You will observe as the rod gets hot, the wax melts and the pins start falling off. The pin which is near to the flame falls off first and the pin furthest from the flame falls off the last. This shows that the heat is being transferred from the hot end of the rod to the cold end of the rod, means from the one end of the rod to the other end. Okay, so this proves the process of conduction. Now the next topic is conductors and insulators. The materials which allow heat to pass through them are called conductors of heat, like iron, copper, aluminium, etc. All metals are good conductors of heat. And the materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called insulators or bad conductors. For example, cloth, rubber, plastics, etc.